Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at analyzing an important part of our article, Designing Wheelchairs for All Shapes and Sizes, looking at the idea that science influences technology. Now, as you read through the article, there are a lot of different headers that broke down different parts of our article. The first one being the people who make wheelchairs and the people they make them for. The second section, science influencing technology, and the third section, wheelchairs for more than just sport. Now, the second headline said science influencing technology. At this point in the article, our author was making an important claim that science influences technology. And this is a big claim, especially considering that we are trying to understand the science behind these wheelchairs. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take a step back and look to better understand our author, and more importantly, look at this claim that science influences technology and look to find evidence that supports this header or this claim. Now, as the author was writing this article, they took in all of this information and came up with this claim that science influences technology. And the one, two, three paragraphs below have a bit of information along with this diagram here to better support this idea or this claim. Your job is going to be to look at this claim and find two pieces of evidence, direct text evidence, that helps to better support this idea that science influences technology. So you're going to have to go back and reread this section and look to find that direct evidence to help support that claim. You can use anything that you see or read, not only the first paragraph, but the first picture, the second paragraph, the second picture, and the third paragraph or the third picture. Your direct evidence needs to come from any of those paragraphs and any of those pictures, and you are going to use that to explain how that evidence supports this claim that science influences technology. Now, once you and your group or you yourself have found your evidence to support your claim, you're going to come back into your slideshow in task 6, and you're going to record your two pieces of text evidence, and you're going to explain how does the engineer use the science behind mass, force, and velocity to influence how a wheelchair is made. In other words, how does the science influence the technology? And you're going to use your text evidence here to help explain your thoughts, your ideas, and your answer. Now, as you break this down, make sure you are clear in your thoughts and ideas. Make sure you're using your text evidence and make sure that you are using that section of the document. You do not need to use the first or the last section, just the science influencing technology. So that's how we're going to analyze our article. Take a second, fill out your article analysis survey. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise,